In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Notion for meeting notes. This guide will cover creating a dedicated notes page, capturing key discussion points, and reviewing notes after the meeting. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing into your account, whether you are using the web version or the app. Once you are logged in, create a new page specifically for meeting notes. At the top of this page, add a clear title that includes both the meeting date and the topic. This initial setup is essential as it organizes your notes and makes them easy to locate later. Next, structure your page by inserting sections for the agenda, discussion points, and action items. A simple and clear layout is crucial for clarity and helps in quickly finding information during the meeting. Consider using headings or dividers to separate these sections. This organized space will facilitate effective note-taking during your meetings. During the meeting, focus on capturing key discussion points under each agenda item. Write concise notes that highlight decisions made and important takeaways. Utilize bullet points for clarity, as they allow for quick scanning of the information. Ensure that any tasks assigned during the meeting are recorded alongside the names of the individuals responsible for completing them. Avoid including unnecessary details that may lead to confusion later on. Once the meeting concludes, take a moment to review the notes while the information is still fresh in your mind. Clarify any unclear points and make adjustments as needed. After reviewing, share the meeting notes page with all participants to ensure transparency and keep everyone on the same page. If you need to track action items, Notion provides tools to do this effectively. Additionally, consider archiving old meeting notes in an organized manner for future reference. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.